Hi friends, this is a shemi plant. It is a nursery plant. This plant is now I am going to show you how to make the shemi plant into a bonsai. This plant is having very tiny small leaves. That leaves look very pretty when you are making them into a bonsai plant. And this is a tropical plant and this can be grown. This plant is well adjusted to any type of soil. Today I am going to show you clip and grow method. How to train a plant in clip and grow method. It is practiced by most of the Penjing masters of China. Now here so many different branches are there. You have to remove all these branches and you have to show the plant clearly. The, every plant is having a front view and the back view. So when you are showing the front view, we can see the back branches also clear view. Now we are going to remove this front branch so we can see the depth of the plant and we can see the that second branch clearly and it gives a nice look to the plant just like a tree. There is a depth in the tree now. Still here this first branch is having a straight line. So that's why I removed that straight branch and we can see the curve now. Slowly I'm removing the third branch. I'm cutting down the length of the third branch. Now you can see by only clip and grow method, by cutting the branches, how we are getting a shape of a tree now. This in this clip and grow method, how where we have to cut, how to cut left. If you want a left side branch, where you have to cut. If you want a second right side branch, how to cut that one. I'll show you clearly in the next video. Now see here, now the plant is having the three branches and you can see clearly the view of the three branches now. All the branches are having nice look. Slowly the plant is getting a shape of a bonsai tree. Now we can have a clear look of the plant. There is a lot of difference is there in the before trimming and the after trimming. You can see the plant clearly. Now this plant can be repotted into a bonsai plant pot.